In this video tutorial, we will add a few columns in the drawing by using X and Y symmetry, and also we will attach data to the column. Open the Single Level Column Manager. Select the base level 3. Automatically the top level is level 4. Now, select level 1 as the base level. The top level is level 2. So, are going to add columns from level 1 to level 2. Select X symmetry. Select any column size at A1 and A2. You can see the list of foundations. Apply the base offset as -500 mm to columns at A1. Username C1. Select Phase 1 and concrete mix M45. Similarly, apply -200 mm as the base offset for the column at A2. Username C2. Select Phase 1 and concrete mix M45. Hit the OK button. You can see columns are placed at A1, A2, F1 and F2. Select the column at A1. Check its bottom level. Similarly, check bottom levels for columns at F1, A2 and F2. Reopen the dialog box. Select the Y symmetry. Select column sizes at B1 and B2. Hit the OK button. You can see columns are placed at B1, B2, B5 and B6. So, we have seen the use of single level column. It places columns at multiple grid points at a single level.